Every morning across America, thousands wake up to a brand new backyard. Sometimes it's the red rocks of Utah, sometimes it's the misty pines of Oregon, sometimes a quiet sunrise beside the Gulf Coast. They aren't tourists, they're residents of the open road. They're living in rolling homes, motorhomes that carry not just people but purpose, freedom, and a whole new way of living. In today's America, the home has wheels, the office fits in a van, and the road has become the address of freedom. The American love affair with the road. Since the early 1900s, Americans have looked at the road not as distance but as destiny. The Model T gave birth to mobility, Route 66 gave birth to romance, and the RV gave birth to an entirely new form of adventure. After World War II, when soldiers returned home, America built highways, and with them, the dream of travel without limits. Families packed up, hit the road, and discovered the country beyond their front porches. But the 2020s? They've rewritten the script. Today's motorhome isn't just for vacation. It's for life. It's not about escaping the world anymore. It's about bringing your world with you, wherever you want to go.
Check out these
The Great
pictures from
Shift.
last quarter. The engagement is way up.
The pandemic years changed everything. Suddenly, millions realized their jobs weren't tied to offices. They were tied to Wi-Fi. People swapped cubicles for campgrounds, fluorescent lights for sunlight. Remote work opened the door to a radical idea. If you can work from anywhere, why not live everywhere? That idea sparked a movement. Thousands began selling their homes, converting vans, or buying motorhomes to chase the horizon. For some, it was necessity. For others, rebellion. For most, it was freedom rediscovered. Who's hitting the road? The new generation of motorhome owners doesn't fit one profile. There's Tyler and Mariah, 28-year-old YouTubers making travel vlogs while exploring all 50 states. There's a retired couple, Jim and Carol, who sold their house to live permanently in their Class A motorhome, visiting their grandkids across the country. There's even Sarah, a software engineer who turned her RV into a rolling workspace with dual monitors and solar power. These stories have one thread in common: control. Control over time, over space, over how to live, and that control is why this lifestyle is booming. According to the RV Industry Association, the U.S. RV economy now fuels over $140 billion in activity and nearly 700,000 jobs. Millennials and Gen Z are the fastest growing buyers, proof that freedom never goes out of style. The technology of freedom.
Hey, RV.
Modern motorhomes aren't just vehicles. They're smart ecosystems on wheels. Solar panels power appliances, lithium batteries store energy, and AI-based systems manage temperature, lighting, even water usage. Companies like Winnebago and Thor Motor Coach are investing in electric chassis and digital dashboards. Imagine a motorhome that recharges from the sun, drives 300 miles on battery, and parks itself with sensors. That's not a dream, that's happening now. Some luxury models even have touchscreen command centers, mood lighting, and voice-controlled assistants. You can literally say, "Hey RV, dim the lights and play Johnny Cash." Technology is transforming not just the drive, but the experience of living on the move.
Rainwater harvesting cycle, providing clean
The
water
green
for a
revolution.
clean future.
Freedom shouldn't come at the cost of the planet. That's why sustainability is now a driving force in motorhome design. Lighter materials, aerodynamic builds, and hybrid drivetrains are reducing emissions. Solar roofs and water recycling systems mean travelers can go completely off-grid without leaving a footprint. The rise of eco-friendly RV parks and renewable-powered campgrounds shows how the industry is evolving to meet new expectations. Tomorrow's freedom will be silent, solar, and sustainable. New ideas, new designs. Every year, new ideas push the boundaries of what a motorhome can be. Work anywhere motorhomes, with satellite internet, fold-out workstations, and soundproof cabins for video calls. Adventure-based units, rugged off-road beasts with gear storage for bikes, surfboards, and drones. Or micro-luxury homes, elegant, compact, and fully automated, aimed at travelers who want the comfort of a penthouse on the prairie,
How happy she
and
is
subscription
that
motorhome
they're
services, allowing users to swap models each season, turning ownership into flexibility. In short, the motorhome is evolving from a travel tool
As you
into
can
a
see,
lifestyle
we've achieved
platform.
8% growth this
The
quarter
business
alone.
of freedom.
And with your investment,
Behind the adventure lies a serious business wave. Startup founders are turning motorhome rentals into billion-dollar platforms. Manufacturers are partnering with EV companies. Even real estate investors are buying fleets of luxury RVs to rent out like mobile Airbnbs. The market is projected to grow 8 to 9% annually through 2028. And the trend isn't slowing, because the product isn't just mobility, it's meaning. For Americans burned out on rent, debt, and deadlines, the open road offers a priceless commodity.
look, the lights are
Choice,
Finally.
challenges, and realities. Of course, freedom has fine print. Rising fuel costs, parking restrictions, and maintenance challenges are real. Full-time travelers face zoning laws, unpredictable weather, and internet coverage gaps. And yet, the community endures. Online groups, apps, and support networks now help travelers share routes, campsites, and repair tips in real time. This isn't escapism, it's adaptation. Every mile teaches resourcefulness, and every detour tells a new
Let it
story.
catch fire, sweetie.
It's already burnt, Dad.
The human story. The deeper story of the motorhome movement isn't about machines. It's about people rediscovering connection, families rediscovering dinner without phones, retirees rediscovering curiosity after decades of routine, couples rediscovering each other on long drives. In the silence between the road and the wind, people find what cities often steal: presence. There's something profoundly American about that. The idea that life isn't measured by square footage, but by mileage, by sunsets, by freedom itself.
That's it, we did
The
it.
future of the road. So what's next? Expect to see electric caravans forming cross-country routes, smart connected convoys where vehicles communicate to optimize travel. Motorhomes will double as mini power grids, feeding electricity back to homes when parked. Partnerships between automakers, tech firms, and travel companies will create integrated ecosystems, where your phone plans your route, books your campsite, and controls your RV environment. And yes, one day, self-driving motorhomes may let families nap while AI handles the night highway. The road ahead isn't just long, it's limitless. The new American dream. The American dream is changing shape. Once it was a house behind a white fence. Now it's a home that moves, fueled by curiosity, powered by sunlight, guided by freedom. Whether you're chasing adventure, remote work, or simply peace, the open road is calling. This is Rolling Homes, the story of how America is once again rediscovering itself, 1 mile at a time.